Today's verb is to get. Let's explore it.
It means to receive, obtain, or become. Let's see examples. I got a new phone yesterday. He is getting ready for school. We need to get to the airport on time. She got sick after eating too much candy. I always get hungry at midnight. Get is one of the most common verbs in English. Use it for receiving, arriving, or changing states. Get, got, getting, and in American English, gotten. Don't forget these irregular forms. Now you know how to use get. Practice this verb today and get better at English.
Enjoyed this lesson? Subscribe for more English tips.